On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money online with CPA offers. This method is free. You don't need to invest any money. You don't need any skills to do this. You don't need any experience. The best part is that you can use your phone to make money with this particular strategy. So make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know. If you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next video. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come on this website, cpagrip.com. This website, they allow you to make money with CPA offers. They have a lot of CPA offers that you can promote to make money online. They also have different ways that you can use to earn money on their platform. When you click on the tools, you can see you can make money logging content on this particular website. You can also log URL of any content that you have. You can also log videos. You can promote offers to make money on this platform. So what you have to do is that you have to just click right here, register, so that you can register for your free accounts. Once you click on register, you are going to see a page like this. You have to fill all these details so that you can get access to a free account. You don't need to pay any money before you create an account. So just fill the details so that you can get access to a free account. But when you come to the publisher type, what you have to do is that you have to just click on it and you are going to select GPT. So just select that so that you can get offers to promote on this platform. Once you select that, just provide the rest of the details so that you can get access to a free account. Once you create your accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see right here, this is my dashboard. You can see my earning right here. So now what you are going to do is that you have to find offers on this platform so that you can promote them to earn money. To find offers, you are going to come to this side. Once you are here, you are going to select offer tools. Once you click on that, you are going to select my offers. Once you select my offers, you are going to see a page like this. So the next thing is that you are going to find the offer that you want to promote. CPA offers, they are country specific. So you have to promote a specific offer to a specific country so that you can get paid. For example, you can see right here, the country is United Kingdom. So when you scroll down, you can see all these offers you have to promote to people in the United Kingdom. You can see the payout right here, $1.71. The good thing about CPA offers is that you don't need any sales. You only need your potential visitor to take a specific action. For example, that action can be to enter a zip code or an email or a mobile number. So once they perform those actions, you are going to be paid the payout right here. Each of the offers have a different payout. As you can see, this offer right here, you're going to earn $5.73 if you get your potential visitor to install a mobile app. You can see this offer right here. If you get your potential visitor to enter his or her email or zip code to receive an e-bike or Aldi gift card, you are going to be earning $1.83. So it's just simple as that. You can see these offers, they are highly performing. You can see the percentage right here. You can see this one too is 100%. So these offers are performing well. So now what you have to do is that you have to find a country whereby you have a traffic source. For example, when you come here, you can select any country that you want. You can see a whole lot of them. Better still, you can just come right here and search for countries that have offers with a higher payout. Some of the European countries, they have offers that have a payout up to $10 per lead, $12 per lead, some $17 per lead. So you can just search for some of the European countries right here so that you can get offers in those countries to promote. For example, I'm just going to search for Austria. So let me just click on it for you to see. Once you search for Austria, you can see different offers that you can promote in that country to earn money. You can see this offer right here, $8.56 per every lead that you get. You can see the offer right here. They only need to submit a mobile number and you are going to be earning this amount. As you can see this offer right here, if you get your potential visitor to complete the action, you are going to be earning $12.31. You can see another one right here, $11.85. You can see $6.84, $12.31. So what you have to do is that you have to scroll down and then select any of these offers that you want to promote so that you can get your affiliate link. As I scroll, you can see a whole lot of them. This is the offer that I'm currently promoting. You can see the payout is $12.31. You only need people to enter their mobile numbers to get access to a content so that you be paid $12.31. You can see they have to do it on a mobile device, and the best part is that the offer is allowed on all kinds of mobile devices. Once you find the offer, the next thing is that you are going to click on the offer so that you can get your affiliate link to promote it. So just click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on it, you can see they have provided further details. You can see right here, it is only allowed on mobile devices. This offer is only allowed in Austria, so you have to get people in Austria so that they can complete the asking for you to earn money. So now what you have to do is that just click right here so that you can select your tracking domain. Just select any of these. Once you select your tracking domain, if you don't understand the language right here, what you have to do is that just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to use Google Translate so that you can translate this particular sentence into the language that you understand, so that you can get to know the offer much better. So just open your Google Translate. Once you open it, you are going to paste the text right here and it's going to be translated to English. You can see right here, enter your mobile number now to get started. So that is the translation of this particular sentence. You can see it is in German. So once you understand the language, the next thing is that you are going to click right here so that you can get your affiliate link to promote the offer. So just click on it, copy link. Once you copy the link, you are going to come to this website, tiny URL. So once you are here, just paste your link right here so that you can shorten it to make it look nice. Just click right here, make tiny URL, so that you can shorten the URL. As you can see right here, the URL has been shortened. If you click right here, copy, you are going to get your affiliate link so that you can begin promoting this particular offer to get people from Austria to complete the action for you to earn money. This is very simple. I'm going to show you a free traffic source whereby you can get people from Austria to complete this particular offer for you to make money on CPA Grip without investing any money. So once you have your affiliate link, the next thing is that you are going to come to this website, Traffic Ad Bar. This particular website, they allow you to advertise links for free on their platform. So what you have to do is that just click on advertising so that you can begin promoting your link on this platform. So once you click on advertising, you are going to see a page like this. Now what you are going to do is that you are going to paste your link right here. So just go back to tiny URL. Once you are on tiny URL, you are going to copy your shortened URL. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to the website and then paste your link right here. Just paste it. Once you paste your link right here, the next thing is that you are going to click on add a website so that you can add the website. Once you click on add website, you are going to see a page like this. So the next thing is that you are going to add your title right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come back to CPA Grip. Once you come back to CPA Grip, you are going to copy the title of the offer right here. Once you copy it, you are going to come back to your ad and then paste it right here. So that is the title of your ad, as you can see. Once you paste your ad title, the next thing is that you are going to paste an ad line right here. This particular text will get people to click through your ad and then take the necessary action. So what you have to do is that you have to come back to Google Translate. You have to type your simple call to action right here. Once you type it, you are going to translate it to German so that the people who are going to be watching your ad can understand the language and then take the necessary action. So right here, you are going to select English instead of German. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to search for English. As you can see, that is done. Right here, you can see German. So now you are going to type your simple call to action right here so that it will be translated into German here. So you are going to type something like get access now. Just a simple call to action like this. Once that is done, you can see this is the translation. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to send it back to your ad. Once you come back to your ad, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. You don't need a lot of text, just a simple text like this. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here what is the language of your ad and web page. So what you are going to do is that you are going to select German. So just scroll down so that you can select German. Once you scroll down, you can see there's German right here. Just select it. Once that is done, you are going to scroll down. You can see right here all countries. So you are not going to promote it to all countries. We are going to select only Austria. So just click on it so that you can select Austria. So once you click on it, you are going to scroll down and then find Austria. You can see right here Austria, you are going to get 1 extra credit to promote your ad. So just click on it. You can see that has been done. The offer is only allowed in Austria, so just select only Austria right here. Once you select the country, the next thing is that you are going to come to this section. You can see right here you have to add the date that you want the ad to start and the date that you want it to end. So we don't want it to end, so just click on it, save, and it's going to be saved onto this platform. Once you click on save, you can see this is your ad. It is currently running on this website, so you are going to be getting people to click through and then take the necessary action for you to make money on CPA Grip. If you want to stop the ad, you can just come right here, click on pause so that the ad will stop. So make sure you keep on posting different ads onto this platform so that you can get a lot of people to click through and then take the necessary action for you to make money on CPA Grip. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.